Do you guys know what day it is? No, you're wrong. It's MacBook pickup day. Let's go. I almost forgot my mask, y'all. Alright, so I'm finally home. If you wanted to see the full vlog of me getting the MacBook, buying it, driving to the store and all of that, I'll leave a vlog at the end of this video, and also I think down below, or you could click the eye icon in one of these corners. But yeah, it's finally here, guys. I've been waiting for it so long. I pre-ordered it and it was like reserved, and I could finally pick it up today. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing and tell you guys why I got it, and then further down the road I'll do a review of this 2020 MacBook Pro, and it's so heavy. Alright guys, so as you can see, in my room I already have a PC, which is good for my editing and gaming and stuff like that, but I needed a MacBook Air to edit with Final Cut Pro because I want to learn how to use Final Cut Pro. Now I got the Air 2020, it was good and all, it was i5, but it wasn't fast enough. It got slow, it got hot, and I just couldn't use it for my application intensive stuff. So I looked into this and everyone said, hey, this is good, you can edit 4K videos, all that stuff. So this is why I'm super excited to test this out. I got I think the base model Intel i7 CPU, which runs at 2.6 GHz. I also got 512 gig storage SSD as well, so that's gonna be super fast. It has 16 gigs RAM. My last one was I think 8 gigs with the Air, so that's a huge improvement already. And yeah, I think this is going to be perfect for what I want to do, which is just like light video editing, stuff like that. So yeah, pretty excited to unbox this for you guys. So let's go.
Drunk, I've never seen you quit.
This feels so good, bro. I can't even feel it yet, but I just love the cold texture of the MacBook. But yeah, see what we get inside here. Gonna need that. Ooh. Nah, that's hot. Space gray Apple stickers. Let's go. I don't know how much watt this is, but we're definitely gonna need to use this bad boy to control this beast right here. So now let's actually take a look at the MacBook Pro. It's heavy. It is heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, love that. ASMR sound for you guys. Oh, now, oh, look at that. The reflection of my computer. Oh, this is nice, guys. Now let me go ahead and open it. Let me get my other lens so it gets a closer look for you guys. Alright, let's open it. It's huge though. And the good thing with MacBooks, as soon as you take this paper off, it's like gonna open, it's gonna start by itself. So let me just show you. It already did. Oof. Oh man, can you guys see this? This is beautiful. This is, let me smell it. Smells like I'm broke, boy. This is the MacBook compared to my iPad. What? Look at the difference. Now I'm usually used to this, typing on this, so this is gonna take some time to get used to. But yeah, let's just go ahead and set it up for the first time. I kind of hate the process setting up MacBooks for the first time, but it's way easier than Windows to me, at least. So yeah, let's just get this on with. First time I'm gonna use Touch Bar as well. I've never used a Touch Bar before, so that's gonna be a new little change I have to get used to, but hopefully everything is nice. So let's get started with my Wi-Fi password. And one thing I realized is that this is not like a real touch. I think it's like a, I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm just so excited. But let's go. Password. I don't remember my password. That's crazy. Alright. I'm going to try to breeze through all this process, guys, so hopefully it goes by quick. So yeah, let me set this up and then I'll get back to you guys. Oh my god, this is heavy. Look how huge this tripod is, guys. Holy. Let's get it started. Hey, let's get it started. Alright, first time using this touch bar. Ooh, kind of smooth, not gonna lie. Hey Siri. Ooh.
Hello.
Why does she sound like a robot? Install.
I found this on the web.
Oh, the speaker is nuts. I'm actually gonna play some music real quick. Let's hear the speakers. The speakers already sound insane. So I'm gonna play some music real quick. Oh, the keyboard is amazing. Finally a good laptop, bro. Finally. Alright, let's just bounce something real quick. Let's just play something real quick. Alright guys, so onto some more serious stuff of why I decided to choose this one. So as I mentioned before, I had the MacBook Air. It was 13-inch. It was the base model. It wasn't the best. It could get like tasks done, but as soon as I even open a lot of Chrome tabs and everything, it would start to like slow up, and I needed something that could actually edit my videos. On my channel, if you guys don't know, I post tech videos. I record in 4K. So my main PC right here is a i9 processor, like my Windows PC, i9 processor, RTX 2080 Super, 32 gigs of RAM, and that is a powerhouse, and that pushes throughout the day, like, you know, Dunzo. It gets everything done. Now the thing with that is because it's a desktop, I can't really move it around, and just like how everything is starting to opening up now, if you guys didn't see my vlog, you could click the link down below where I posted a vlog of me buying the MacBook. You can see that everywhere is starting to open up now, so we're gonna get to go more. So I needed something powerful but also portable. Now the other thing is I wanted an i9 processor because I know how good this i9 processor is in my desktop, but then the price didn't really reflect. It was going up to like $4,000, and to me that wasn't a good financial like decision. So I opted to get the, I think is the i7. So yeah, I opted for the i7, guys, and I think I talked about the specs before. So it's i7 up to 2.6 gigahertz, 512 gig SSD, and I think that's really good for what I want to do, which is basic 4K editing, no crazy things, photo editing as well, and also just to dive into the macOS software. As I said before, I want to learn how to use Final Cut, and I think this is gonna be perfect because no more hiccups. I know it will push through. It's the 9th gen CPU, and there's other options you guys could go for. So on the website here for Apple, if you could, instead of at 8 core, you could get the turbo boost up to 5 gigahertz, which is 2.4 gigahertz, which is kind of a little it's $255 more. So yeah, that's something you should think about. Also, you have different graphics you could choose, but all of these things is, I think the more you add is if you're super serious about editing only on this laptop. As I said before, I have my desktop, but you could go ahead and customize all of this stuff, but the prices could literally go up to like 5,000, 6,000 if you don't know what you're doing. So if you're thinking about it, I think it's a really good purchase. The 16-inch is also really big, so editing videos on here is gonna be amazing. The 13-inch was kind of good for editing as well, but I needed more real estate when I'm in like Final Cut and I have my timeline and my preview window. It just wasn't enough space, but this 16-inch is definitely gonna be a lot of space to edit on, so I'm super excited to try it out. As I said before, I'll be dropping a full review a couple weeks after. Make sure I use this thing on a daily to see if I like it, the good, the bad, and all of that. And as I said before, if you want to see me buying this, the vlog of me buying this, click the link down below in the description or the eyes in the corner and you guys can check that out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy my small unboxing. Super excited to test this thing out. And yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.